Last day, I have explained you rules for the ray diagram of lens, and also I have explained you how place to place the positions, nature and size of the object and image will be changed. And today we'll discuss more regarding the ray diagram. First you come in the convex lens. As I have told you earlier, there are 6 positions of the convex lens. One by one I will explain. You please try to follow. Point number 1. When the object is at infinity. When the object is at infinity, a parallel beam of light is incident on a lens. After that, after refraction, they will be converged at a point. They will converge at the focus. So, the image will form at focus. Size of the image is diminished. It is real. Always you keep in your mind, is object in one side of the lens and image will be another side, then it will be real. A real image is always inverted. Since it is a point object, you cannot see, but since it is real, so we'll consider the image will be inverted. Then what do you conclude? When the object is an infinity, a parallel beam of light incident on a lens, after refraction they will meet at focus, the image will form at focus, it will be diminished, real and inverted. Point number 2. When the object is at 2f. When the object is at 2f, one ray will be parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, it will pass through the principal focus. Second ray will passing through the optic center. As you know, when it passes through the optic center, it will not change the direction of the path. Both the refraction ray will meet at a point. If we draw the perpendicular, this is the size of the image. When the object is placed at 2f, image will be formed at 2f. Size of the image and size of the object will be same. It is real and inverted. Point number 3. When the object will be placed at principal focus. When the object will be placed at principal focus, one ray will be parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, it will pass through the principal focus. Another ray will passing through the optic center. Both the refraction ray will be parallel to each other. So, as you know, parallel ray will be never meet each other, but we will consider they will meet at infinity. So, image will be formed at infinity. It is real and seems to be inverted, means considered to be inverted, and size will be highly magnified. Now we come to the point number 4. When the object is beyond the 2f. When the object will be beyond the 2f, one ray will be parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, it will pass through the principal focus. Another ray will passing through the optic center. Both the ray will meet in between f and 2f. So, image will be formed at f and 2f. Size of the image will be smaller than size of the object. It is real and inverted. Next, point number 5. When the object is placed in between f and 2f. When the object will place in between f and 2f, then one ray will be parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, it will passing through the principal focus. Second ray will pass through the optic center. Where both the ray will meet, we will draw a perpendicular. They will meet after the beyond the 2f. So, image will form beyond the 2f. And as you know, if you cross the 2f, then image will be magnified compared to the object. So, size of the image will be more than size of the object. Object is one side, image is another side. So, it is real. A real image is always inverted. So, it is magnified, real and inverted. 5 ray diagram I have explained you. all the case you have seen the image are real and inverted. On case when the object will place in between optic center and principal focus, one ray will be parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, it will pass through the principal focus, and second ray will pass through the optic center without changing their direction. Both the rays after refraction they will divert, they will move divert, so they will be never meet each other. So if you want to meet the virtually, so we have to produce the line in the opposite direction, and virtually they will meet here, means virtually they are meeting beyond the 2f, and size of the image will be enlarged compared to object, and that is only the case when the image will be from virtual, and virtual image is always erect. So in this case image will be virtual, erect and magnified. So all the rays of the convex lens I have explained, and concave lens only two position, when the object placed at infinity, and second when the object placed in between infinity and optic center. That one you try to do of your own. So your homework is practice the ray diagram. Thank you.